I'm part of a group of people that have decided to start a side hustle. I work for a company that's pretty innovative. We're actually electricians, but we're trying to start some other stuff. I'm one of the directors of the side business, and one of the ventures is the Forex trading. I've got 5 kids, so a lot of mouths to feed, but also very expensive holidays if I do want to go anywhere. So it's definitely something that's on the agenda, is to take the kids on more holidays. They deserve everything. So, well, obviously financial freedom is, I don't know whose dream it isn't. It's definitely mine. Part of this, I'd like to, influence other people into wanting to do the same sort of thing. Coaches are fantastic. There's more than enough support around here. If you do feel like you're starting to get lost, they can usually pick it up before you even ask a question, so it's really good. I'd like to thank Learn to Trade. Obviously, it's going to be an amazing adventure. Sky's the limit. I'm coming at you, Greg.